How did one of the highly for the society welfare organization applied this to another highly for the welfare of the society organization? Which means, how does a hospital or a ghost hospital creates fake insurance claim to claim more and more money out of the insurance company? Step 1. In one room, create a little basic setup which has few medicines and few medical equipments so that it can be listed in the association, and the insurance company can also list that setup in their cashless hospital schemes. Step 2 is creating a proper file which has all the required documents if something comes up, which is medical records, invoices and other documentations. Third is finding the right people to take insurance policies. That can be done by two methods. Hospital generally buys each other data to promote their business. Or second method, dodging KYC. If you did not watch the dodging KYC video, you must. It is very essential. After setting this up, now is the time to take ultra premium luxury insurance policy, and it is very easy considering the pressure that the insurance agents have. And finally, the last step to claim insurance policy of the policy holder with as much bills as the hospital wants, क्योंकि उसके बाप का हॉस्पिटल है. And finally, when this is all done, time to disappear. This is done around the globe. In US, there are millions of dollars of fake bills and fake clinics. In Europe, there is a little term in insurance companies, phantom surgeries, surgery that never happened. And even in India, there are number of hospitals that insurance company is tied with for their own inflated bills, or they do not exist at all and they are just on papers.